Hey guys, today we're going to have a virtual discussion regarding the Texas power outages. So, if you are sick about talking about Texas energy, electricity, power, and their power grid, don't worry, today is the last day that you have to do so. The essential question that we're going to focus our discussion around is what now, Texas? Or, in other words, what should Texas do to address this issue, or what should they do, if anything, to prevent this from happening again? Go ahead and complete the attendance question using this Google form. There is one thing that I added to this Google form that I wanted to point out. If you have a specific current event that you would like to research and cover, or even if it's just like a general topic, feel free to type that in right here. So if you have a specific current event, type it in, or if you just want to research more on like sports related current events or climate change or politics, go ahead and type your answer in right there, your suggestions. For our virtual discussion, we're going to be using a Padlet. So go ahead and click on this discussion 224, even though that should say 225, my bad. When you open it up, it'll look like this. You'll notice there are a lot of different questions. The good news is you only have to answer one of the following questions. So go ahead and read through these questions. All of these are going to be level 3 questions, which means there's not really a right or wrong answer as long as you can explain your answer. So after you've read through these questions, you should be able to find at least one question where you feel like you have a really strong response for it or a really good answer. Go ahead and click the little plus sign, type your answer in for the title, and then in the body paragraph, add your explanation. Okay, so explain your answer, giving evidence and reasons to support your answer. And then to make sure that you get your credit for this virtual discussion, go ahead and add your name at the bottom of your post. You also have the opportunity to read through and give different posts a little heart if you like what somebody else said, and you can add a respectful comment if you so desire. All right. And because this is taking place of a normal Friday discussion, you are going to get points for your Padlet, and I will be awarding points by the end of the day. So this is your Padlet post is due by the end of the day. And just a reminder that your current events report from this week is due March 1st. Midterm grades are also due March 1st by the end of the day, which is what, 2 more school days? If you have any questions regarding the current event report, the Padlet, or anything else, feel free to contact me either via email, call or text that Google Voice phone number, or you can always pop into the Google Meets during your scheduled block. If you have a question like over the weekend or after 3:30, I would highly recommend using that Google Voice phone number. You would just send a text like you would any other phone number, and it'll go to my Google Voice app. For some reason, my school email just doesn't work all that well on my phone. It's not super reliable. So this Google Voice phone number is a lot more reliable and a better way to contact me after 3:30 or over the weekends. All right. See you later, guys.